division of a polynomial by another polynomial. So let us see with one or two examples here. We need to do division. Should take one polynomial divided by another polynomial. Let me take the problem like this. Let p of x is equals to x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 1. Okay, this is the polynomial. I should divide. This one should be divided and I need to find the remainder. Okay, so it will be this, and q of x is another polynomial, x minus 2. I took this 2, p of x and q of x. So I should do division p of x divided by q of x. Okay, so I am supposed to find out p of x divided by q of x. So when you are doing division compulsory, generally, for example, if you see 7 divided by 2, okay, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. Here is the 3 is the quotient place. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. 7 is dividend and 2 is the divisor, right? Divisor must be small compared to the degree. Here also same, p of x highest power. So the degree of the p of x is 4 and q of x is 1. Always it should be less or equal. So p of x should not be less compared to q of x, because I am doing division p of x divided by q of x. Same, dividend is divided by divisor, right? So divisor should be small. Similarly, we can take here also. Let me take this question, p of x, that is x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 1. I am going to divide this by x minus 2. Okay, so let us see the method how to take the first step. First of all, we need to check the first term. Here is the x is the first term and x power 4 is the first term in this. In this dividend and divisor, compare the first term. This x into dash is equals to this x power 4. So x into dash is x to the power 4. That means this divisor first term into dash is dividend first term will come, that you should check. So if you see that this x cube, right? X into x cube is x power 4. So that x cube I should write here. X cube is the quotient first term now. So take this x cube and multiply this entire divisor. X cube into x, x to the power 4. Again x cube into minus 2 x cube. Okay, that is the first step. First of all, we need to check this dividend first term and divisor first term. Should be in order always. Any polynomial is given, you should make it in order first. In case the question is not in order, you should make in order first. So according to the highest power to the least power, that is the order. Then we can verify first term to first term how much I should take. X into x cube is x power 4. So x cube right here. With x cube multiply this entire divisor and write down. Now do the subtraction. When subtracting, you should change the sign. This is the minus and this is plus. This both get cancelled always because we are assuming same term to get. So x plus x power 4 minus x power 4 cancel. Plus 2x cube and plus 2x cube. This is the 4x cube. Next take one term down, minus 3x square. Right? Now again the same procedure. Here is first term. Now don't see this previous. Now you can see this. 4x cube minus 3x square. So is a x first term and here is a 4x cube. So same x into dash is equals to 4x cube should get. Okay, always you should compare with the first term in the divisor with this next first term. So x into dash is 4x cube. So that is 4x square, right? X into 4x square is 4x cube. So that plus 4x square right here. With this 4x square multiply again this entire divisor. 4x square into x is 4x cube. Always you'll get the first terms be same because we took account that way. 4x square into minus 2 is minus 8x square. Now just do subtraction again. While doing subtraction, change the signs. Minus and is plus. To get cancelled. Minus 3x square plus 8x square is a 5x square. Next term take down, that is plus x. Right? Now again the method is same with x, and here is 5x square. Same you check. The first term is 5x square, right? Same, x into dash is 5x square. You can see that 5x. Okay, x into 5x is 5x square. That 5x we should write here. 5x into x is a 5x square. Again 5x into minus 2 is minus 10x. Do subtraction this. Okay, minus and plus. And this get cancelled. X plus 10x is a 11x. And next term, take it as down, that is minus 1. Do the same method now. What is the same method? This is x into dash is 11x. X into dash is equals to 11x. This rough work you can do until you get perfect. So x into 11 is 11x plus 11. That plus 11 is right here. 11 into x is 11x, and 11 into minus 2 is minus 22. Do the change. Subtraction is minus and plus. Minus 1 plus 22, 21. Yes, 21 we got. So 21, here is the degree is 1, this degree is 0. So it's less, so you can't take more. So 21 is the remainder. Now in this problem, 21 is remainder. This is the quotient. X cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 11 is the quotient, and 2 is the remainder. Right? Let me explain you one more problem. Not the same. Let us take one more. Then you'll get clear idea. For example, if the problem is asked in this way, divide x to the power 4 plus 1 by x plus 1. You should understand this clearly. Here is x power 4 plus 1. So degree is 4. This degree is 1. So division is possible. You can start. But there is a cube term, square and x term are missed. So even though we can do it, just you write x to the power 4 plus 1. So there is a cube, square, x term and constant. There's three terms are missed. Just I kept the space instead of confusing. So let us show you. Let me show x plus 1. Now see the method. X power 4 plus 1, but just I gave the gap because of there is a 3 more terms supposed to be, but they are not there. Instead of confusing, I just kept the space. You understand why I am keeping that. Now here is a x and this is x power 4. Okay, x into dash is x to the power 4. That is the first step. It's obviously x cube. Okay, x into x cube is x power 4. That x cube right in the quotient first place. Take this x cube and multiply this entire divisor. X cube into x is x to the power 4. X cube into plus 1 is x cube only. That's why I maintain the gap here, because there is no x cube term on top. Now I should do subtraction this. Change the sign. This is a minus. This is also minus. Right? This will get cancelled. X power 4 minus x power 4. And I got minus x cube is left remaining. Only minus x cube. And this plus 1 also you can take down and just write until you get the last step. Last is you can write down. Let be the gap. Now see this. X into dash is x cube. The next place. X, and this is minus x cube, no? So x into dash is equals to minus x cube. That is minus x square. Okay, plus into minus is minus, x into x square is x cube. So minus x square right here. Take this minus x square and multiply this, entire this. minus x square into x is minus x cube, minus x square into plus 1 is minus x square. So because of the x square term and x term not there, just I am maintaining the space as it is. We change sign, this becomes plus, this also becomes plus, because we should change the sign and add. We are going to subtraction. These terms will get cancelled and only x square is left. Let it be right even plus 1 also, just you can write down until the last step. Now again x into x square, x into dash is equals to x square. Obviously that is x plus x. Plus x into x is x square. X into 1 is plus x. Okay, take this, again multiply this entire. We need to do subtraction. This is a minus, this is also minus, right? We cancel those. And here minus x, and this is the plus 1 finally, because after x term next again constant only. Now again x into, so if you observe, x into dash is minus x square. X into dash is okay minus x. Always you should compare with x only, you should one by one term I am checking the first term. So this is the minus 1. X into minus 1 is minus x, so minus 1 keep here. Minus 1 into x is minus x, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Change the sign, this is the plus, this becomes plus. Cancel those, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah, 2 is the remainder and this is the quotient. So in this way, even though some terms are missed here, 1, 2, 3 are missed, just I maintain the space. Automatically you can get the clear without confusing. Right? So this is the way we can do the divisions. So any type of division polynomial by another polynomial. But the rule is the degree compared to this both. This degree should be more than this, or even equal also. You can take it in one step, you can finish if equal, but should be less, more than or equal, the which one you are dividing. So this is the division of the polynomial. Next we will see some theorems. Okay, remainder theorem, then followed by factor theorem. Let us discuss.